Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. In this lesson, I am going to describe how temperature, water, and light affect habitats. If temperature is too high, plants and animals may lose water. But if temperature is too low, plants, animals, and human beings may freeze. Water is essential for the survival of human beings, plants, and animals. Without water, there would be no life. Light is used for making food in plants. For example, sunflower needs light for making food. But earthworms and bats do not require light. On your textbook, there is cactus and polar bear. The cactus stores water in its stem. Its needle like leaves prevent it from losing too much water in desert. However, polar bear has a of layers of fat and fur. They help to keep the polar bear warm in cold weather. Plants and animals need water for life. Plants need light for their growth and survival. And of course, we need water for survival too. Here are two earthworms that are living in moist soil and they do not require any light for their growth, for their survival. They live in moist soil and like darkness. And the earthworm does not expose itself to the sunlight because sunlight harms its body and dries. So that was all about temperature, water, and light. Your diary is you have to read textbook pages 23 and 24 and write answers of question number 1 and 2, which are how cactus lives in desert and how polar bear survives in cold weather. So that was all about temperature, water, and light.